up, everybody? Welcome back to the frickin' channel. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we got something a little special. We're going to a little car meet up closer towards Atlanta, or tonight I should say, but it was finally less than an hour away. Barely, it was 50 minutes, but I decided to go to it because weather's not too cold and, you know, needed some content, so this is what we're doing. I'm pretty sure this Mustang's going there too, if I had to imagine. Looks pretty nice. On the inside. That thing sounds good, boy. But yeah, we're just gonna have a little cruise on over there. No biggie. It actually was warm today. It got up to the 80s. And it's starting to cool down now, obviously, but very nice weather today. I enjoyed it. Love riding in this kind of weather. I ain't gonna cap. Get over. Getting some free rollers for this Mustang. Looks nice. I hope it'll be worth it. I haven't been to a meet in a minute. Twice in a row, people just merged onto me. My bad, guys. My bad. No, I'll take the blame. I'll take it. Everybody relax. Just gotta pay attention and not panic, you know. Anyways. Whee! What the crap, it smells like dookie. What the hell is that? Like sulfur or something. Ew. Uh-oh, better slow down. Sometimes cops sit right there. That ain't a cop, but I don't know what he doing. I want to touch the semi. Woo! Too scary. Ah! I'll get one of them eventually. It's got to be on my left side though. I ain't letting go of the throttle for all that. Nah, you good, little homie? I got you. Oh shoot, here we go with the traffic. Time to turn on squid mode. not really. Don't want to get pulled over. I feel so alone, gonna end up a big old pile of damn bones. Big old bird. Just gonna do one of these real quick. Alright. No biggie. Had to dab him up with my foot. Not really. He did not see me. Whee! Got that one. That's just nerve-wracking. I don't want him to like swerve on me. But they're pretty good about keeping it in their lane, actually. So we're chilling. Alright. Somebody let him over. Thank you. Wow, look at the frickin' sunset. I feel so alone, gonna end up a big old pile of damn bones. There you go. Ah! I had to let him know. What the spoiler is that? Sheesh! My boy's getting all the downforce. Yeah. Those friggin' bridges are not smooth at all. Da-ding, da-ding. So much friggin' traffic. Hey, at least we got like friggin' 8 lanes to play with. You feel me? All right. You're welcome, buddy. I don't know if he was flashing his lights or just hitting the brakes. Whoopsie! Oh man, I missed the tunnel. No! I should get a quick shifter. You know, I want to do that. Dang, boy, that guy zooming. I guess I'm just going slow. I just randomly started smelling spaghetti. Yeah, motherfucking traffic. Bro in the Jetta wishes he could have done that. I mean, he could have. It just would have, like, you know. Don't lane split in your cars, guys. She sounds a little rowdy. Nice little Miata. And is there nobody freaking here? You've got to be freaking joking me. Oh, there's some people. Alright. Few bikers. Nice! Woo, bro got the illegal plate. What up?
Dude, he's on a 650 and he's not, dude.
No play on the 650 is crazy.
Actually, 125. Why'd you put you checking on my bike?
Oh, because I was happy. You did not hit
Flip plate? Is that flip plate?
Huh?
Is that a flip plate or is it?
No, it's real. It's just not for this bike.
Dude, we have the same sock. Why is this really stretchy?
your sock right there.
Guys?
I guess y'all don't know.
Well, you used to have the same one. You used to have the same one.
Yeah. What the fuck? No! Wait, what year is this?
07.
Battery status 75%.
Appreciate it. Yeah, it's got some scratches right there, but other than that, yeah. Heading out from the car meet. A few people showed up, a lot of bikers. A lot of bikers I got to talk to and meet, you know. pretty fun. But yeah, freaking pretty sick meet. That guy was like, no really. Not that many cars, but a lot of bikers, so that's all I really care about. So it was fun. I got to talk to new people, met a few new folks, but I ain't gonna be really doing too much on the way home. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.